Hey, FlashForge creator owners. I just found a little thing that may help you and it may hurt you at the same time, but hopefully it will help you. I'm going to do some testing about this. So, when you turn on your creator and it makes that really, really loud sound. Let me actually see if I can simulate that real quick. Stick that into there. Okay, so that sound, and it's pretty loud and it pretty is intrusive on your space. So let me turn this off. Well, I found out what that loud sound is. Turns out it is this little guy right here. Not the power supply, this little teeny tiny fan. So I went ahead and I disconnected it. And now, if we turn on the bot, the bot is silent. You cannot hear a single thing, unless you're running a print. But, yeah, this is a silent machine. So, but once you plug those two wires in, it will start sounding loud again. So I guess if you could add a quieter fan to this, it will run much more quiet than it should. So, yeah. So let me know what you think.